Why does your scanner show the P2404 engine code? What does it mean? P2404 is a diagnostic trouble code for evap leak detection, pump sensor circuit range, or performance. It indicates a problem with the evap system leak detection pump sense circuit, specifically a range or performance issue. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty evap leak detection pump. Wiring issues. Evap system leaks. Faulty purge valve. Clogged or broken charcoal canister. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.